Now here's a Santa Claus story that I've never heard before, and certainly it'll never be as popular as 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, but this is about Santa Claus's finger, which is actually now on display in the city of Antalya, Turkey. St. Nicholas, the Catholic bishop believed to be the inspiration for Santa Claus, died in the 4th century AD. He was buried in his old church in what is now the Turkish town of Demre on the Mediterranean coast. But somehow his remains ended up in a church in the Italian port of Bari, and tradition has it that the Italian merchants from Bari stole them in 1087 AD, and the town of Demre has been trying to get the bones back for 900 years. All they have left is a finger or two, which are on display in a nearby city. One reason Christians aren't keen to send the bones back, the Wall Street Journal reported, is because Turkey is now predominantly Muslim. In fact, some believe the 11th century Christian monks in Myra allowed the Italians to remove the bones in order to save them from the advancing Turkish army. Muammer Karabulit, chairman of the Santa Claus Foundation, which seeks return of the bones, says his group's mostly Muslim membership should not be an issue. After all, he insists, Santa Claus is a universal figure.